Planning a trip to Japan can feel overwhelming. There's so much to see, to do, and to eat. But with the right plan, it's easy. In this video, I'll show you 10 simple steps to plan your dream Japan trip without the stress. Step 1. Decide when to go. Japan's seasons totally change the experience. Spring is famous for the cherry blossoms, stunning, but it can be quite crowded and expensive. Summer is full of fun matsuri festivals, fireworks, but it's also hot and humid. In fall, expect beautiful foliage, perfect weather, but again, it can be quite busy that time of year. And in the winter, everything is quiet, it's cheaper, and it's perfect for onsens or skiing. Next up, decide how long you're going to stay. If this is your first time to Japan, 10 to 14 days is perfect for a first trip. That lets you see Tokyo, Kyoto, and 1 or 2 extras without rushing. If you only have 7 days, stick to Tokyo and Kyoto. With 10 days, you can add a side trip. And if you've got more than 2 weeks, you can explore additional regions for off that beaten trail kind of vibe. Step 3. Choose where you want to go. If you're not sure where to start with Tokyo and Kyoto. They're the must-sees. From there, you can then think about adding additional stops. There's Hiroshima and Miyajima for history and scenery, Takayama or Kanazawa for a taste of traditional Japan, or consider a hot spring town like Kinosaki Onsen for true relaxation. Once you know when and where, it's time to book your flights. Most international flights fly into Tokyo, and Haneda is the airport closest to central Tokyo. Narita is a bit further out from the center of the city, but it works well with many flights flying into there and express trains available to get you into Tokyo. With your flights booked, it's time to start booking hotels and ryokan. You're going to want to book early, especially if you're planning to visit in spring and fall. It's fun to stay in a modern Japanese hotel for convenience, but also try out one ryokan for the traditional experience. Think tatami mats, yukata robes, kaiseki dinners, and hot spring baths. It's worth it to stay in a ryokan for at least one night of your trip. Don't miss this experience. The Japan Rail Pass can save you money, but only if you're traveling long distances and frequently. For example, if you're going from Tokyo to Kyoto and Hiroshima and back, the JR Pass could be worth it for you. But if you're mostly staying in Tokyo or Kyoto, just buy single tickets instead. Unless you plan on riding the high-speed Shinkansen nearly every day of your trip, the JR Rail Pass really isn't worth it. You can just pick up single tickets as you need for the trains that you want to take. Do the math and see if the pass works for you. Step 7. Think about packing smart. You're going to want to pack light for your trip to Japan. Japanese stations often don't have escalators, and hotel rooms are very compact. Use a carry-on size or medium luggage bag for your trip. And if you need to move big bags around, check out a service like the Takyubin luggage delivery. They'll send your suitcase ahead to your next hotel. It's very affordable and very convenient. Step number 8. Stay connected. Stay connected on your trip with a pocket Wi-Fi, SIM, or eSIM to give you cellular data connection for your time in Japan. It makes navigating trains, using Google Translate, and booking last-minute tickets so much easier. If you have a newer unlocked phone, eSIM is the way to go, but you can also get physical SIM if you're using an older phone or an unlocked phone. If your phone is locked to a specific carrier, or if you're traveling as a family or in a group and don't mind sharing a connection, the pocket Wi-Fi is a great option as well. Step 9. Get a digital IC card before you arrive in Japan. Get a digital IC card like Suica or Ikoka and set it up on your phone before you arrive in Japan. You can then use it for one-touch purchases on trains, buses, vending machines, and even convenience stores. And if you are planning on taking the Shinkansen, don't miss the Smart EX app. You can skip the lines and reserve your Shinkansen tickets in advance. Then simply tap your phone at the ticket gates. All of this can be set up before you arrive in Japan, so you're ready to go once you get there. And finally, step 10. Book some tours and activities for your time in Japan. You can book a few experiences ahead of time. How about a tea ceremony, sushi making class, or a guided walking tour? These cultural experiences will help you get beneath the surface and make your trip truly unforgettable. And that's it! 10 steps to plan your perfect trip to Japan. With smart planning, you'll enjoy Japan stress-free and get to experience the best it has to offer. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel guides, and let me know in the comments, where in Japan do you want to go first? Tokyo, Kyoto, or somewhere off the beaten path? Check out chrisrowthorne.com for private walking tours of Japan's main tourist cities, geisha entertainment, and personalized travel consulting. And check out InsideKyoto.com for everything you need to know about visiting Japan. Be sure to click the link below for our free digital trip planning guide.